Dumpster Rental, Baltimore, Maryland. Cleaning up after a project can be manageable. Renovating your home, clearing out debris, or handling a large-scale cleanup is easy with the right dumpster rental. Mac Dumpsters provides reliable and affordable dumpster rental in Baltimore, Maryland, helping you manage waste with ease and efficiency. We offer many dumpster sizes to suit your project needs, from small cleanups to big construction jobs. Whatever the job, we've got you covered. Our dumpsters are perfect for small to large-sized projects. They're ideal for handling construction debris, old furniture, large household cleanouts, and yard waste. And with the convenience of a 14-day rental period included, you'll have plenty of time to get the job done. We take pride in offering reliable service with no hidden fees. Plus, our dumpsters come with easy-to-use swing doors for easy loading, making it even simpler to dispose of heavy materials like furniture, appliances, or construction debris. Need a dumpster rental in Baltimore, Maryland? Let Mac Dumpsters help you. We're here to make your cleanup more manageable and ensure your project runs smoothly. Call us today at 410-205-5330 or book online. Mac Dumpsters, where your cleanup is our priority.